back to our channel. I'm Colleen and this is Our Blessed Life. And if you're new here, welcome. Our channel is a combination of cleaning, organizing, and decluttering videos along with homeschooling and family vlogs. So welcome if you are new. We hope you will stick around and subscribe. And so once we get the kitchen cleaned up, we're gonna be making peanut butter balls for Christmas, and then we'll need to clean the kitchen again. So this is going to be a vlog style cook and clean with me. I'm starting by just cleaning up my kitchen just so I have some workspace. Then we're going to start on some peanut butter balls for Christmas, and we're going to be eating supper and heading to church. And once we come back from church, we'll finish up the peanut butter balls and we'll end the day with our devotion time. Sitting close to keep us warm. The mistletoe is hanging at the door. Christmas is the time to set your mind and spirit free. Everybody smiling while we decorate the tree. If I could, I wish for you to spend Christmas here with me. For more cleaning motivation before Christmas, I'm going to link Megan's channel, Pennies and Salt, up above, and you can check out her video as well. I got some chicken and gravy that I'm making for supper tonight, and I will link a video up top where I show how to make that, but it's really good and super easy. So I'm starting a new project in my laundry room. It's getting a little bit of a makeover. So I'm going to be cleaning this closet out, and I'm going to be taking out all these wire shelves. But these are the wood shelves. I had them cut at Home Depot, and I stained them in the garage, and I brought them in. And hopefully fairly soon I'm gonna be going ahead and starting this project. I wanted to start it this weekend, but I don't think that's gonna happen. But anyway, I'm really excited to be doing that. I'm also going to be replacing this bar up here with something a little bit more industrial looking. And then I also got this sign here on clearance at Kirkland's, and that sign's probably going to go right above there. But we'll see. I'm hoping to start this really soon, and I will definitely make a video showing you how I do it. Now Katie and I are just going to put up our laundry that was drying here. I'm just throwing some of it that's a little bit wrinkled into the dryer just to kind of air fluff it, because a lot of times then I won't have to iron it or steam it. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to finish supper. That I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Now I'm just shredding the chicken that's going to go back into the crock pot, and then all I'll have to do for supper is just make the noodles.
Everything will be okay, 'cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you.
Today we're making a recipe for peanut butter balls. So we're going to use 1.5 cups of peanut butter. We're just using creamy peanut butter. And then 2 cups of powdered sugar. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 stick of butter that we softened in the microwave. We're going to mix all of that together, going to roll them into little balls, and then we're going to use this Candy Quick chocolate. We're going to melt this in the microwave and dip them, and then we'll put them in the refrigerator to harden up a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay.
How you do it? I'll write it down.
All right, ready?
What?
Can you make that be on number 4? It's okay. Let's let it get mixed up good first.
It's doing it.
It is doing it. Okay, so because our peanut butter is too ooey gooey and it's just kind of falling apart and we're putting it in the hot chocolate, we're gonna go ahead and just make the balls, and then we're going to put those in the refrigerator and let them firm up and then dip them later. Now we're just going to eat a quick supper, and then we're going to a Christmas night of worship at our church. Y'all, this event at our church was absolutely fantastic. I wish I could play the music for you, but I can't because of copyright. What you're seeing now is the snow that they had coming down for the kids. It was just really phenomenal. Okay, first of all, these are really good. We just tried the 2 that we did the first time and they came out great. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a toothpick, and since these are a little bit more firm now, we're just gonna roll it in the chocolate. So they're not very pretty, but they definitely taste good. So we're gonna put these back in the refrigerator and let them set up a little bit more, and then they'll be ready. Now I'm just gonna straighten up the mess from supper and from making the peanut butter balls, and then we're going to do our Advent book that we're reading and our devotion.
If everyone is here to celebrate one day, we have our ups and downs, but when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down.
So our family has been reading this book, Tabitha's Travels, during the Advent season. There's a part of the book that you read every day, and we've really been enjoying it. I'll have it linked in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.